In a powerful demonstration of community solidarity and humanitarian gesture, the residents of Khumulung have stepped forward to extend critical financial and emotional support to the family of Sanjana Debarma. A resident of Khawai Kalyanpur, Sanjana is currently battling for life against cancer. Sanjana Debarma, a resident of Khawai Kalyanpur Suvananda village, is battling advanced cancer, leaving her poor family financially depleted and struggling to afford life-saving treatments. Transcending regional boundaries, the community, youth clubs and residents of Khumulung mobilized a rapid door-to-door fundraising campaign to provide immediate financial relief.
Nongno samani tongo tini bong nukungo phaiseng je mansak donation collect khlaimani bong dor phainani hanai geseng tabo munai sonjonam song nogo sokpaijak aga abukhe bin babu song belai bukha tekto nangkha tamni ko fashion no nugoi bo belai ramui thangka mairok saimailia obahai obostha ngoi tongkha gang koinai joto kha kaham rangsakni takuk songno norok je mansak bongno subadi tai bini babu bobo mungsa khlaimaya angoi tongkha tamni hingkai bini bwsajuk sori haimani bagai yang thangmang bong nukung rok ekdom chukjaya norok naidi bong nukung rok hingka tai seng hingkai Khumulung ni seng phaio tai jeto sini ani team je dol tongnai rok borok jotono uskang ni simi kosto khlai je collect khlaimani seng Khumulung hoite phaioi bongno je mansak subai ro phainani hinai seng tini phailai seng para amchai rogo to seng thagui malia seng bazar bai dugan garo jara muya phal tongnai rok baniya khai tongnai rok borok je mansuk subai rok mani abono no seng bono ro phaina hani phaikha sini rangmari wngkha 15,819 taka amso rangmari kakha 2 dino seng abono bono yapari nai bin babono tabo Reported by Ashish from Khumulung, Chini Khorang.